So good afternoon. So today we will discuss the first chapter, that is lubricant fuel. What is the lubricant and what are the requirement for turbine engine? That is lubricants and fuel. First of all, this is requirement turbine engine lubricant oils, because absence of reciprocating motion at the presence of ball and roller bearing, because in turbine engine we are using roller bearing and ball bearing, and these are the anti-friction bearings, and this anti-friction bearings needs a proper lubrication at all time. Whether it is a high altitude or low altitude doesn't matter. When these parts are rotating, this lubrication has to be provided to these bearings. How to this? Then there is some lubricant oil. Gas turbine engine oil must have high viscosity for good load carrying ability, but must be also able to be sufficiently low viscosity to provide good flow ability. If viscosity is high, then it may not flow properly. That's why it needs a good viscosity, or you can say low viscosity, to provide good flow ability. And it must have low volatility to prevent evaporation, loss of evaporation. Because if oil has more volatile, it will evaporate very soon. So volatility must be low, and to prevent the loss of evaporation at high altitude at which engine operates. In addition, the oil should not foam and should be essentially non-destructive. Means oil should not foam. Foam means one sort of a frothing which take place due to motion of oil. So if oil is having this frothing problem, then it will require more space, and that is not good for the engine. In aero engine having at less frothing oil which is being utilized, because aero engine has to be flow and low altitude as well as high altitude. And with the high speed anti-friction bearing, the formation of carbon or varnishes must be held to be a minimum. Synthetic oil for turbine engine are usually supplied in scaled one. So many requirements of lubricating oil are met in synthetic oil developed specifically for the turbine engine. Synthetic oil has two principal advantages over petroleum oil. It has lower tendency to deposit lacquer and coke, and it has left after solvent has been evaporated, because it does not evaporate the solvent from the oil and at the high temperature. So this oil must have a proper viscosity, and it must have low volatility, and it must have low viscosity. These many quality oil should have. That type of oil we are using in the turbine engine, because turbine engine needs a good lubrication and anti-friction bearings, and we are using only two bearings. One is roller bearing, one is ball bearing, and both needs this lubrication properly at low altitude as well as high altitude. So low grade of oil used in some turbine engine normally contains thermal and oxidation preventives, load carrying additive, and substance that lower the pour point, in addition to synthetic chemical based mineral. So this is oil quality that engine should have. An oil grade in some turbine engine normally contains thermal and oxidation preventives, load carrying additives and substances that lower the pour point and addition to synthetic chemical based material. These are the I'll meet type 2 specification. Most of the turbine I'll must have this type 2 specification and made the following characteristics. क्या क्या characteristics है? First is vapor phase deposit. That is carbon deposit forms from oil, mist and vapor contact with hot engine surfaces. Number 2, load carrying ability. Provide for very heavy loads on bearing system of turbine engine. Third is cleanliness, minimum formation of sludge. If minimum sludge will form, then cleanliness will be maintained. If sludge is more, which will flow along with the oil, so it may restrict the passage, it may block the filters, it may block the jet nozzles from very narrow space oil is flowing, and it may carry this high viscosity of oil which is having the sludge formation in the air. They may block the passage and they may stop the flowing of oil, and it may have scarcity of flowing the oil for the lubrication. So this will happen and it will create a problem in the lubrication. So bulk stability, what is the bulk stability? This is resistance to physical or chemical change resulting from oxidation, permits long periods of service operation without significant increase in viscosity and or total acidity. The main indicators of oxidation is compatibility. Turbine oil is compatible with other oil that meets same military specification, but most engine manufacturers do not recommend the indiscriminate mixing of approved oil brand, and this is not generally accepted practice. So this compatibility must be having this oil must be compatible with turbine oil. Then seal wear, essential for life of engine with carbon scale that lubricant properties prevent wear of the carbon at the carbon seal phase. So these are the quality of jet engine oil, or you can say turbine oil, that is second type of specification in most of the turbine engine oil is being used in this type of quality.